Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio, Roselle, New Jersey, had a client from Texas ship us up his Road Glide for stage 3 high power audio upgrade. He was more concerned with loud, crystal clear highs than he was with bass, and he wanted to maintain the most saddlebag space possible. So we ended up going with a stage 3 high power, which is a 1600.1 on a set of 8-inch mid-bass drivers. We went with the Hertz 200Ls. The 8s give you the most storage space in the bag while still giving you a little bit of that low end so you can have a nice full sound. But this bike is loud. He went with Cicada CH in the fairing, that's coax horn, and he also went with the grill setup, which puts the MO75 horn tweeter, so that's 4 tweeters in the front. We went with CH in the lowers. He's got water-cooled lowers. Hertz 200, Hertz SX 165 in the tour pack pods. Now this is where it gets unique. The tour pack, he rides with it off most of the time, so he had us set up 2 separate tunes, one for the tour pack on, one for the tour pack off. So in the HCAD Mini DSP, when he logs in, memory 1 is tour pack on, memory 2 is tour pack off. Since he runs the tour pack off most of the time, we could not install any amplifiers in the tour pack, and we did some custom wiring so the tour pack would be removable and it wouldn't affect the audio at all. It came out really nice. In the lids, went with Avant Black color match lids, went with Cicada CH 8s in the lids, and another set of the MO75 horn. So that gives him 4 tweeters in the back, 4 tweeters in the front, plus the ones that are in the coax in the tour pack. So this bike is really bright. Bike came out really good. Love the way it sounds. So he actually flew up, listened to the bike, and then flew back home. Now he's having the bike shipped back home to Texas. I'm really happy with the way this setup turned out. Super clean. Bike sounds phenomenal. I'm glad he trusted us, but check out the build. Since he runs the tour pack off most of the time, we could not install any amplifiers in the tour pack, and we did some custom wiring so the tour pack would be removable and it wouldn't affect the audio at all. It came out really nice.
I'm from outer space, I got Milky Way for blood, evolution in my veins. I'm gone, I've been far away, I'm illuminated, I'll make a move, start a waves. I've been dreaming about flying for a long time. I had a vision from the place they wanna go sign. Artificially intelligent way, I'm your future, past and present, I'm a fine line. Yeah, I'm a listening of this illusion. I am not really here, I'm an intrusion. I don't swim or sink, I just flow. I don't need gravity, I just need growth. When I move, it's an earthquake. I won't ever fall, never stumble. And I don't need to be humble. Break down walls like Jericho crumble. I can go higher, past the stratosphere, I can catch fire. I can go hard, I don't even need to try. Stop blood, I don't ever get tired. Predestined, written in stone. I feel it coming and I feel it in my bones. Heavily protected, never alone. Tapped in, I'm connected to the unknown. When I move, it's an earthquake. I won't ever fall, never stumble. And I don't need to be humble. Break down walls like Jericho crumble. When I move, it's an earthquake. I won't ever fall, never stumble. And I don't need to be humble. Break down walls like Jericho crumble. Jericho, Jericho walls come down. Jericho, Jericho walls come down. Walls come down like Jericho. Walls come down like Jericho.
After the party, it's the Waffle House. If you ever been here, you know what I'm talking about. Where people don't dance, all they do is this. And after the original, you know what it is. Remix, it had to go down. I got something else to tell you about the new Motown. Where people don't visit, they move out here. And ain't no telling who you might see up in Lenox Square. I don't know about you, but I miss the Freaknik. Cause that's when my city used to be real sick. People from other cities used to drive for miles just to come and get a taste of this ATL style. I'm the MVP, most ballin'est player. Make my own moves, call me the mayor. Monday night, you know things change with time. Magic City back looking like 8 and 9. All the homies on the